se ya no chere Nyankopon de movie ne nante mai ne yada enko ba bia na movie ne de Nyankopon de nyame de ne nante say Nigeria cinema se wo Nigeria nyina we ne je kakaka o Nigeria cinema nyina yakoso nyina no including Silverbird in Ghana ne wo Silverbird ba bia movie ni ye premier the whole Nigeria Silverbird any cinema se wo Nigeria nyina including Ghana so Silverbird Accra and Accra more and what's more the same 28 February my training bloggers media for almost most of my YouTube they can some funny pound obianka movie no wasem enka 7 ne munyama movie no akonya fi Nigeria obianka wasem yes I say lewi mfom lewi ni dia tem na enka bone onye interview na no mfom ni nyankom meka Winnie Van Veka so asa abekase adentina movie ni a enne abenya worldwide premier no ekoso Nigeria no anenti yakasa Ghana Nigeria movie because adenti amena misika kutwa movie no na ma feature Nigeria for the time ka to say Ghana Nigeria movie aside the way adaso that they say nyina la movie Ghana ni woman Nigeria woman Ghana Nigeria movie Ghana Nigeria movie and then e be free so.
Welcome to Why Eating Show. My name is John, and this afternoon, please, we are going to bring you, the update concerning the country called Ghana. Recently, we all remember what happened to Kojo Kansan, and due to that, he was not able to continue to project his movie industry to extend. But as I'm talking to you right now, Kojo Kansan has come to, make some kind of statement saying that Van Veka somehow he's trying to sabotage him because he did not use him for this movie. We are come to have some discussion about this issue that Kojo Kansan is sharing with us.
Vehicle.
Okay.
And if we want Ghana to grow, we have to support Ghana.
Exactly.
You see white people coming here to buy Ghana made?
Exactly.
No. Their country's doing well because they support their economy. They buy their own product.
So today, let's dive deep.
And particularly, he's saying that most bloggers, as he was expecting, or say, at the pound, that's not what he's saying. And what the sombo they bought bloggers in the movie. Yes. I feel also the sombo bought Van Veka. Adeya Van Veka abekasa nekasa wodi tu dwano Kamia Kobani say he is not in supportive of Kojo Kansan what he is doing. Inti ama Kojo Kansan so abekasa pi. Na o say ayana mo kasa bia meka no mekasa fidie so abribia say ewiase ankasa wo no ni papa wo ho ne ho ye na. Eno ti ene se wo behie ni papa na wabobode say obeyede uboso no muye. Now as going forward Kojo Kansan somehow with his own capital and resources he is doing a lot. Because or born one also optimacy because say any odi production and also betray movie na impempensua Kojo Kansan as he was expecting na car accident susube de ebe crash mu a whole lot of things and ACC wo onua branti eye ni movie a oni babade ne sambaka ya Van Veka be make statement bi na o ka se adenti na o man use ono na wa ye na adwin se onye na emom no terms and condition no na anko yi but eye Kojo Kansan kofa eye Ramsey no wa bad de he knows there or you mo fine na why say ono a oye Ghana ni de yen to me and to that extent. Now going forward, I think say this kind of blaming issues will not help because why this year 2025 we have to make sure say I did biara yen to me and no we need to cut it or see it to me to chaso now you to me you grow. So with my little advice I make catch Kojo Kansan say Van Veka is still available because I remember one of the video I'm sharing with Van Veka I say he's available and anytime whoever want to use him, he's ready. And I believe strongly say Kojo Kansan to suffer Van Veka. There's no way you have Van Veka or be denied say on here because one, I don't know, or a movie actor, and that's what he's doing. I mean, he's moving everywhere, any sector. And this time around, no, I believe strongly. So, Kodon Cancer, going forward, what you need right now, say, we need to project, I mean, the vision that you are about to, I mean, achieve. Now, we should forget about those things. That one has passed and gone, and as going forward, say sankofasa kasebi adwetwem sign bebe ma na ekunyane nsem. Until with my little advice, if you are watching me and if you are listening to me, please make sure you invite Van Veka or call him as a brother and talk to him one on one and sit him down, because I know say this year there's more things ahead of us. When we look into it, we can bring more movie. Now bloggers national, as he's saying, we should support. You want dear a year, mama support ni mbongu doro. Na fi wa also wo share me as a viewer, no, share the video, wo share, no wa share na average afoforo. Orofo ye bo momode na ye di kasa Kodon Cancer ebe kan no ne soso no ato. Bomode se obehwe wie na wo so wo de o comment se one ne ya adwene se o ka we ana se one ne ya adwene. Mami hu comment wo comment section na se afi yen komra
ya menshire mu nyina quickly adofo money to asa afi 2025 yen pese ye de issue ebewura be sha afi wiase e say that should be odo ne start afi wiase nanso me colleague ba ko ana je say on pese ye de asumdue be start afi wi mu kama o pese de bone ananto kwasam start afi wi to asha se e kame wodi ka kame from last year ni mu obeka ma simpi me di mankasa because number nsem so na so minue we madam from epanasem min de twa bruni hiani ekwaja award o UK Zafa Awards min na se twa sika se yonko min na se twa tetekwashi ayefen Van Veka. He is a good actor. Epanasem pa adwuma ekante ko Ghana no na ona sanke dini twa na wronzi no wanka ho be na wilu ne Charles no nkomo ka ho na sinema bia anhye dan koyi fi ne side nti ana sebe media homte ene yawo ekofa wronzi no wa ebetwa movie kante ko Ghana ko se na be adwuma na bekoso na movie na so na pagya na sebe idin so akoso akwanenim na meshara katakata ne maso aba mpese me konsem pi kwanta mpese me protecting because me panasem ti me manfo pushi mi ama kanasem ma moni din nso manfo na bedu ma pushi ya hu se wona ekoko asiga na wa active bi mo ekoko me ma mention din e ma me nua ba kuma se ba tutu bi mane me e ka ma ka movie no wasem bi e kan se bi nsem fa movie no me yedin man ka se sanse me panasem nanso ase first time me ne bruni ebe kontoko Ghana hanu no first time me ne bruni ane ne pakoko ebe kontoko Ghana mu ha minua movie oboso si me so kama sempi mankasa movie sha se twae minua Van Veka antimi anka asem biara mfa movie no anka se bi nyakopon kan ho ana good job ebesi enam no kasai movie ni nya no minis awards will be from America, Canada, Germany, UK, Brazil, Switzerland, every place. We now will be many of Van Veka and Timmy Ambeka moving on wasem to Ankam Fuye. Say me a good job. See me bit my back, bit my vision. And I tell you movie as I couldn't name. Why the movie will be uncommon and the media for piece so count. I bring movie and shall say, never peak and some money for you man. Asenti yesu nipa pii kan san fa ho ni nyina ha adwen adenti na papa ba na edi ni anka wasem awoso movie naje na minister aje festival sa movie na kopipe obi nsida fi the movie shase movie no ma atrend akọ nanim aje awards anya no minister akọ festival se na kante ko Ghana dintra adwuma panti me ru nya hiem edem sika nyina ru se na be ya movie industry me sa pagya na manfanya hodo eda beti movie na chibiem na nya investors abewuram enam de twa adwuma yi na so ne nipa mpe kase PTI kwali bibia na osite ka sampa fa ho movie na ja wodo bibia yanka hwe afa ho afenya mencha de movie no nanka manfo bi fi senka movie ne nkan ka dem tinna ma student ni siye no so no ejai bibia to after Kumasi na Accra yanko ba bia biem cause na ensempio ho na so adun yankopon no e de movie ne nante maaye se via no chere yankopon de movie ne nante maaye ne yada yanko ba bia na movie ne de yankopon adun yame de ne nante arena wo bi no minis bi make say Nigeria cinemas wo Nigeria nyina we ne je kakaka o Nigeria cinemas nyina yakoso nyina no including Silverbird in Ghana no Silverbird baby movie ni ye premier no the whole Nigeria Silverbird any cinemas wo Nigeria nyina including Ghana so Silverbird Accra and Accra more and what's more yakoso the same 28 February next month here February ana movie no ye premier no the whole Nigeria cinemas embuni Ghana Silverbird bia and nyam we na aba mahwe ni mu a bloggers media for mo mo bi YouTube de kan sem fa ni pa obi anka movie no wasem anka 7 ni nyama movie no akonya fi Nigeria obi anka wasem there's a hwese lewi mfom lewi ni dia tem na anka bone onye interview na no mfom ni nyankom mka o kan kanya bone adenta papa aba na mai di mu ntimi nka se the whole Ghana movie atwa dada movie anya sabe cinema say premier the whole worldwide no can't call Ghana. The whole Nigeria cinemas be a premier about Ghana, so Silverbird be a premier movie. I can't call Ghana. And the Munyan we Ghana for a D. Young cancer for honest. Nipa say, Ubenyala, I interview. No man from an interview man from Mafibiaka. We just go YouTube. Say, Papa, no, what kind of part in Yamahe, Emma, your skin, one idiot Obeka. And for one inch. Many of Aveka so as Abekase, Adentina, move near, and there Abinya. Worldwide premier no ekoso Nigeria no ane tie ka say Ghana Nigeria movie cause I didn't am na music akutwa movie no na ma feature Nigeria for anytime e ka to say Ghana Nigeria movie aside the way adaso that they say nyina la movie Ghana ni woman Nigeria woman Ghana Nigeria movie ene na e be free so ni kwa say e did Nigeria bata edine ho say Ghana Nigeria movie e me lotwa movie Ghana movie tare munyamba yemma Ghana nko anya aside munyam me mfa Nigeria fo mbata ho as movie we can say we twa movie Ghana for pie yo film am Nigeria for boso mo esen Ghana na twa movie ni free mimi ava vacant man ka movie no asem papa bia movie no award nya bibia nya e nemu o kasa identity Nigeria din abebata movie no ade a Ghana and Nigeria movie ni kwa say kan sa yenya sa na mana no ni yeme ni nso Ghana be yewo why this Mon cover Vika page. The page okuta no. E fine for no come movie was papa to ho no. E fine for no post to atwork and put ho. E fine for no twere bibi papa fa movie no. Why say affair movie na nya worldwide premier in the whole Nigeria including Ghana and Africa Silverbird o baby ano. It made the same movie in 28 February. Can't you go Ghana?